Alright, boys and girls, it's time for us to go over our materials and how we are going to do the experiment. Alright, boys and girls and parents at home, I want to show you how to set up the experiment that we are doing this week. If you don't already, you will need a paper towel. Any paper towel is good. You will need some sort of container. I have a clear cup. It doesn't have to be clear, but it does have to have an opening in the top, and it should be relatively about this size. You will also need some tape. Rubber bands can also work. And then you will need some pennies. Now for the pennies, you're going to need more. I recommend more than 20 for this experiment. And if you have a lot more than that, that's fine. But yeah, more than 20. I only have 3 just because I'm getting started on the experiment. I'm not going to do the whole thing today. Okay? Hold on just a moment. All right, it's time. Now we're going to go over how to do the experiment. All right, for the next part of the experiment, you take your container and your paper towel. You're going to put it on the top. Take some tape. You're going to tape around. Hopefully you have less trouble than I do putting this around. All right, there we go. And we're going to wrap it around there just to keep the paper towel in place. All right, then you want to take a little bit of water and you want to make just a few drips on the top. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, so about 10 drops. Then you take your pennies and you're going to drop your pennies onto the top. And you continue to drop pennies onto the top and keep track of how many pennies you are using. See how many pennies it takes to actually break through the paper towel. Okay?